day. Hello, my name is Fiona. I'm from Didi Inspired Gifts and Toys. Today we're unboxing Forest Fairies, Pucky Forest Fairies, and they are very cute. The detailing is amazing. I have a few open for you already. We have this one. This one is called Flower Fairy. No, sorry, Dear Fairy. Get it right. And it has a little space in the hand here for a flower that comes on the edge of the packet here. The detail is amazing on these Puckies. They're absolutely beautiful. Great collectible. They come in a box with 12 in it, and there are 12 varieties. The second one that we have here, this one, you won't be able to see it for the light. Let's just see, about there. This one here is called Unicorn Fairy, and it is, again, comes with a little stand to stand it on if you want to. It's got a wand here, a blue wand, and comes again with its own collectible card. So again, totally collectible. Features are unique, so the light's bad for that one. Anyway, the features are really good. It's like got texture of skin or fur. Okay, next one. We are just doing these quickly. This one here is called Cloud Fairy. And if you can see the colours, that's it, that's better. You see the colours, it's like a light, pastel-y coloured little fairy and has these big propeller-like wings on the back. Again, comes with that. This one has a gold wand on the packet, and we're racing through these today because we just want a faster video. It's not that boring. Okay, this one here, I rather like this one. This one is so cute, called Fawn Fairy. And so this one, let's see it better there? Kind of matches my top. But anyway, so Fawn Fairy, he has a little, like a bauble, a sort of stick with it. Okay, so that's the ones I've got through so far. We've got one with a big ball on the outside of the packet, yet not open. Let's just see what it is. This one here is, ooh, look at that one. I'll just find the ticket for it. This one here is called Flower Fairy. It's a dark pink head and a light pink underneath. There we are, Flower Fairy. And again, the detailing is pretty awesome. It's got wings on the back and a ruff around its neck. Okay, that's Flower Fairy. We have some more here. I'm just going to open another. I only opened a few just to have a quick look at them to see first what they were like. This one here, this one. So we have a box. The box on it shows you all the different Puckies you can get, and there's a secret one there. It kind of looks like a bear. Okay, let's open this one here. Let's have a look. Ooh, that's nice. Long Hat Fairy. It's got a big pom-pom on its head, and again has a stick in its hand. So here is that blue sort of allium looking stick. It must be its fairy wand, obviously. Let's have a look. Oh, that one's nice. I like that. So that one's got a big hat and multicoloured wings that look like... Anyway. Leave it. So that's that one. Very nice. And we have another one to open. I must say it's been very busy. The other day we got it in Sunny Angel Circus. Pucky Pool Babies, Puckies, Forest Fairies. We have Fluffy House, Cafe, Fluffy House Series 1, which is Mr. White Cloud. And then we've also got a Fluffy House Winter. So those have come in. Oh my gosh, that is so funky. Look at that one. That one is called Seed Fairy. There we go. This is Seed Fairy. Quite like it actually. So it's red and green. and has again little wings on the back. Very lovely. And I don't know if it's got a wand. Oh, it has. It's a seedling. So on the outside of the packet it has a seedling as a wand. I don't know if you can see it properly. Anyway, so that's that one. That's Seed Fairy. So moving on, we're on our 8th box now. Let's have a look. I did promise this video to everybody who is a collector of things, because it's a good idea to show everybody what you get in a box, because until you have a look at this video, you don't know what the possibilities are that you could order. So this one here, oh wow, he's blue, yellow and red, and this one is called Pucky Fairy. Pucky Fairy, I quite like him. I like the colours. Okay, and a white wings on the back and a white head up here. Nice. Okay, that's Pucky Fairy. And have we got bored yet? Hey, this is a... Maybe I should have opened it more at the start. It has been chaos since all these new lines have come in, which is really lovely. Here we are. This one, what does that say? You read it? That's it, Dream Fairy. Dream Fairy. Oh my gosh, look at that. Here's a... You see it? I don't know which way. There, look at that. Got like a golden globe thing. Looks like he's the queen for his fairy wand. That's it. And he matches, oh, he's nice. Matches the bell on top, or she's nice. I'm not sure if the he's or she's. That one's nice. Look at that. That's lovely. That's a bestseller, isn't it? Look at that. Really lovely. Okay, so that's Pucky Fairy. Oh no, that one's, sorry, Dream Fairy. They're all over my desk now, scattered. Let's have a look at this next one. Can't get into the boxes very quickly. There we go. So this next one is Little Tree Fairy. Whoa, that one looks like some sort of magic Christmas tree. Let's get that one open. Let's see which wand it's got. Oh yeah, green wand. Let's have a look at that. Oh my gosh, that is really nice. He's got little spots all over him, leaves for its back. I like that. I don't know what the hat is. Kind of like Christmas tree style. Okay, that one is called Little Tree Fairy. Okay, we just have 2 more left to go and then we're finished. And it's been lovely showing you all the things that have come in today. We're going to do another unboxing in a few days. This one is just Pucky Forest Fairies, and then we'll be doing a Pucky Pool Fairies unboxing. So lots of things to have a go at. Let's have a look at this. This one here is the dude, Candy Fairy. Can you see it? Is the screen accurate? There we go. This one has a little lollipop on the outside. I don't think you can see it. Oh yeah, just there, lollipop, pink lollipop. And in the bag, oh my gosh, that's so nice. Maybe they should bring out a sweetie range in Puckies. I like that. So it's got a sweetie as a head, and here little wings on the back. They're very cute, and yeah, just really lovely. Hey, very lovely. And then something for its hand, which is its lollipop. That is my favourite, but anyway, don't tell anybody. Okay, so my name's Fiona. Thank thank you for watching the unboxing of Pucky Forest Fairies. We'll be unboxing Pucky Pool Fairies shortly. Thank you.